What's up everyone? Welcome to our mini vlog. And for today's video, we are here in Negros Oriental State University, Vice Campus 2.
So for today's video, we will have the Let's Ask the Gen Zs. But before that, for the mechanics, we will choose 3 random students. Those who have scored the highest will receive a reward. Let's go!
Hello everyone! So we have a College of Business Administration students. So what is your name, Kuya?
My name is Freddy Torres.
And you?
Maria Claire Ramirez.
So here are the questions. So all of these are words start with letter R. So to go quickly, moving the legs faster.
Run.
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 Correct. So second question. The underground part of a plant.
Roots.
Third, a big mouse.
Rat.
Rat. Uncommon. Rare. So this is the currency of India.
Real.
Russia.
The currency of India. Pass. So next is nap hook.
Wrong.
Congratulations,
So we have here Miss Insoksay TV. So hello ma'am. So good afternoon. So what is your name?
My name is Jala.
And you? And you ma'am?
Luigi.
And you? Last? So for today's ma'am, I have some question and you want to answer. So after this, I have a prize. So all of these words starts with the letter G. So goat. So a female child. A female child. Start with letter G.
Giharo.
No. You ma'am. Start with letter G. A female child.
Female child.
Yes. With the letter G. Start with letter G. Pass, ma'am? All of this. Yes, correct. 1 point. Next is to provide something.
Give.
Very good. 1 point and 1 point. Next, a search engine.
Google.
Very good. And you are 0. Next, a visitor.
Yes.
Very good. 2 points. Last is an activity with rules.
Games.
Very good.
I'm holding.
And we have a winner. And here's your prize, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So all of these words starts with the letter G. So here is the question. To provide something. Correct. Next, a search engine.
Here.
Google is correct. Next, a visitor. Yes. Yes is correct. The last question, an activity with rules. An activity with rules. Games is correct. So congratulations. Here is our winner, Mr. Raymar.
Hello.
So we have here the gems. So for today's video, we will have the Let's Ask the Gen Zs. But before that,
Hello everyone, so we have a college of Langaw.
for the mechanics, we will choose 3 random students, and those who